Yo, what's up guys? It's Pygoz here, the Crypto Pie, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, guys, because I just want to give you guys an update on what is going on Bitcoin, right? Because Bitcoin will indicate what the market is doing. We have a new daily candle. Let's take a look. Just a very red candle, right? I'm glad I was short. I jumped out, took some profits, jumped back in short again, took some profits, and now I'm kind of just waiting for to play a bounce play. But guys, honestly, if Bitcoin gets up to the 0.5 level or even 618, that is very good, okay? After that, what do I expect? I expect us to go further down. Why? Well, if you zoom out, you can see we're still in a bear trend here, okay? So just keep that in mind. Just play with the trend. If you want to play counter trend like I'm doing here, you know, I'm trying to get in on for a bounce, then definitely realize it for yourself that it's a counter trend play. Alright, it's a counter trend play. I'm very well aware of that, and yeah, I'm just waiting for some confirmations here, right? We obviously had one bounce here to the 236. I think we'll come back down, and then perhaps we will try and visit these first 38.2, then the 0.5, then 618 area, right? Take a look at the 2 hour, it's actually at the 0.5 here. 4 hour is right around that 618. Also, if you just make this line here, right, the kind of what we fell out of, basically the max we can get up to is right here, right, at 66. But do I think we will actually get all the way up there? No, probably not. But we'll have to see what happens, right? The market will definitely give us cues like it did here to go short. So just let the market play by itself for a little bit, guys. And I mean, on the 1 hour, we can look for potential like RSI bullish divergences. I mean, that's what I would be looking for right now. I mean, this is kind of like a RSI bullish divergence, right? Like we weren't going down here, but over here we kind of went up. So that is kind of bullish, but that's not enough for me to just enter market. Alright, so I want to see a double bottom forming here. So if we go here, let's see, what I mean is basically we went down here, right, and up, and then we'll go down again, perhaps make a higher bottom, and then go up, right? And then from there we'll probably smack back down. So keep that in mind as well, right? Don't be a perma bull, guys. Alright, you can be making money in the bear cycle as well. It's just a little harder because you're playing with margin. But just keep that in mind, guys, that you cannot be a perma bull, even though this is a very crazy target that we hit here. Okay, 6k. Basically we had a one bottom. We called this a bottom before as well, remember? Not really, guys. So one bottom, two bottoms then, right? So is it possible that we will bounce from here? Well, it is, guys, it is, but I don't want to play this for the long-term bounce yet, okay? For me to go long-term bullish, look at the 6 hour here, we need to break this structure first, right up here. So where is that? That's around 6,800 here, up here. And after that, I mean, to be really bullish, and for me to wanting to accumulate more Bitcoin and not US dollar tether, or US dollar or euro, is when we break this big downtrend here, guys. And that would mean we need to go all the way up to like about 8.8, so around 9k, guys. All right, that is far from where we are right now. So looking at the 4 hour here, we definitely have a nice bounce here. We had this nice rejection. It definitely didn't close under 6k. It went under 6k but didn't close there. Now we have like a little bounce, so who knows where we're going next, right? But what I expect kind of is a double bottom. Maybe we'll go up to 38.2 and then a double bottom. It could be, but I mean, that's also very possible, right, guys? We go up all the way there, then down again, and then we'll go up for the bigger swing, right? Probably around this area, right? 6.4, 6.5. You should definitely expect kind of like a short situation close to there, right? And how I get this Fibonacci is I took my Fibonacci from this top here, we call this a top now, 6,800, believe it or not, and then you take it to the bottom here at 59.21, right? And that is basically the Fibonacci targets we're looking at, and it seems to be responding pretty well to the 236 here. So that tells me my Fibonacci is done right. Definitely had some resistance here, and then here again, and then the 0.5 knots. Yeah, well, actually we have a lot here. Look at that, guys. So yeah, that is what I'm looking at, guys. Just take it day by day, take it slowly, and you'll be making money, right? I mean, I made money on the short, and people think like all the shorting's over now. Well, maybe for a little bit, right? That's why we need a little bounce, and then perhaps we could go back down further. So keep that in mind, guys, right? Keep an open mind. I don't want you guys to only be perma bulls, right? You can't be a perma bear, you can't be a perma bull. You just need to be able to switch just like that, all right? So that is what I'm trying to tell you guys. I can switch just like that, right? I'm more bullish right now than bearish because I want to enter in a bull trend. I mean a bullish setup here, right? When we retrace and then perhaps go for a play to the 0.5 or 618. Definitely not on Bitcoin. I'm looking either, guys, on Ontology, Ethereum. So let's take a look. Ethereum, Ontology, or on Binance. So Binance already has a very bullish bounce here. Look at that, guys. That is because Binance was already bullish, right? I mean, Binance definitely making higher lows. Not many cryptos are doing that, guys. So that is what I'm looking at, right? So that is the bounce I'm looking at. But for now, guys, I'm waiting to see some confirmation, have a double bottom, or yeah, you know, double bottom, you know, some consolidation with some bullish RSI divergence, and then I know where I can put my stop. I know where I can put my my sells, right? So yeah, that's what I'm looking at, guys. That's just a quick update on Bitcoin. Do I think we will drop further? Yes, it's definitely possible, but we definitely need a bounce first. Because if we look at a 1 hour, it was oversold. 4 hours still oversold. 6 hour it was oversold. It's all like turning upwards here. 12 hour wasn't oversold. Then daily definitely isn't. But what we do see here is some bullish RSI divergence. If you take this bottom, right, and then you take this bottom, you do see some bullish RSI divergence, so that is very good to see. But we need to take it day by day and see where it goes, guys. So definitely don't be afraid of taking profits, especially in this bear market. Don't be afraid of taking profits quickly, because it can turn around just like that. All right, so I need to warn you guys about that. So yeah, anyways, guys, I warned you yesterday about this bear flag. I hope everyone was be careful and didn't lose too much. I mean, will we get back up here? Maybe, right? We just don't know how long it will take until we get back up there. So that is why I caution you guys, right? And this was a big pattern. I mean, you know, and it was nothing crazy, guys. This drop is... So if we look technically, guys, this drop is not done yet, okay? And I don't want to scare anyone, but this drop is not done yet. Because if you take it technically, right, up here to down there, and then we project this from this top, so right around here, then it tells me we can go all the way to 51, 52, so around here, right, guys? 53, let's take 53. I mean, then we are not done yet. And you also saw that here, right? It fell, and then it bounced, and then it fell again. So be careful if bear flags are forming, okay? Just be careful, even small bear flags. So yeah, that's pretty much all I can tell you guys for this update. Also, guys, if you're not in my Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where you can ask me any question, you can ask other people questions. It's just a great chat box to be in, right? So join up with that. Also, guys, join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I post all my videos, post about upcoming ICOs, and you know, I let you guys know when you can whitelist for them, so you know you're up to date with it and get in on the ICOs before anyone else. You know, at least know about it, and yeah, from there, obviously there will still be a rat race and you need to try and get in. So, but that's pretty much how it goes, right? So anyways, guys, both telegrams will be in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, hit that post notification button, and if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.